Jesus, they must thank him and bastard. Because so many churches, so many priests are making a living. And J.K. Smriti provided an opportunity for all those teachers and left behind millions of dollars, institutions. They are making a living. Rajanish, same thing. But not that they have created another, not one. No teacher ever produced another teacher like him. Always they can produce, revealing better. What do you want all this for? What a tremendous energy wasted. Was that bastard free, J. Krishnamurti? First and last freedom. Write books and talk about freedom. What is the freedom you are talking about?
From stranglehold of thought.
Huh?
Stranglehold of thought.
No, you can never be. You can never tell yourself that I am free from that thought. The one that tells and tells everybody is the same. If there is any such thing as enlightenment, if there is any such thing as nothing, it doesn't exist. And if he is an enlightened man, even within that frame, within that definition, he will never know that he is an enlightened man. He will never talk of enlightening others.
But I feel I am in darkness.
Huh?
I feel I am in darkness.
You are what?
In darkness.
No, they told you that you are in darkness. There is bright sun here, how can you be in darkness? Even in biblical passage there is one. The light shineth in darkness. I used to quote these things in my own time when I was giving lectures. The light shines in darkness, and the darkness comprehended it not.
Was it a biblical passage?
Huh?
Is it a biblical passage?
Yes, it is. All right, don't. He's a major only. But he was not a doctor. He was a major disaster to the Indian army. The kind of army he left behind.
Disaster is at least once. If this is
Cannot
happening
take
every
over,
day, several
take over,
times.
Patna and run this country. Too bad.
I permanently dented the Indian Army by my mere presence.
Wow,
Presence.
wow. Look at that. But still they are, taking medicine is delaying.
But you seem to be free from all kind of problems or worries, so many other things.
Yes, you are, how do you know?
He is worried about
There is
passport on page.
no difference between us
I'm
and
not worried. No, I have never had any disappointments in my
Just
life.
I was telling.
If something doesn't go the way I wanted, then what am I going to do? Now, do something. I should have acted that way, I should not have done that way. Never, these were not my problems. You can't live my life. Your life is altogether different. Not mine. I was so lucky in so many respects. All right, sir, thank you. There is darkness, but there is still light in darkness. It is the darkness that will help you to free yourself from darkness, not the light that they are showing. They are not good lights. And that light shines for a short while, and then the batteries go. Don't use those lights. That's time. Even that I used to tell them. Is the sun rising and setting? I don't see. The battery is there all the time. No, why you talk of rising of the sun and setting of the sun? I didn't see. Because we are moving away. He's still there. All the time. He is not rising or setting anyway. Why you are telling me the sun is rising and setting? Look at that. Beautiful sun. This guy, black hair. Forcing the kids. Look at the sun. Rising and setting sun. Is neither rising or setting. Thank you, sir. Change darkness. No, I'm sorry. We talked in our don't even know where there in this book. Samadhi and ultimate Samadhi. Wow. Questioning the movement of God. Discover your own path and reject all the other paths. It is a very misleading statement. You have to discover your own path. All that you are doing to discover the new path is the one that has created the mess. They all need different techniques, you see. Go to the church and pray. No, you don't have to. My path, Ram Krishna's path, Jesus' path, Buddha's path. They are all worthless. Why they are not helpers? Didn't you say anything? The four aims of life. How did I come into this book? Your parents have. I'm sorry. Your body is like an animal. 2 acres and freedom. 3 acres and freedom. You get up. Childhood. This was the, oh my God, I went to Tiruvannamalai. And what is her name, Chandrasekhar? She was responsible. Kalyarka. And then she was responsible for the building of Ramanashram. She gave so much of money, And then these guys took over and threw her out ultimately. And then she was miserable and she came to see me 2 or 3 times and she was fascinated by me. And once when I went there, she invited me to visit her house. We all went there, you were there. And I looked at the mountain, oh what a fascinating place this is. You know, I was surprised, such a beautiful place. She said, Yuji, I want to give this house to you. You know, this is it here. It was perhaps in 1977 that Yuji first went to the Maharishi, invited Yuji. Kalyar Khan is here. A devotee of Sri Ramana Maharshi invited Yuji to our house. We all went with him. That afternoon, Arunachala was a total beauty in the cool sunshine. Yuji went up to the terrace and the house of Talar Khan and looking at the hill of Arunachala in front of him is a martyr. Becoming breathless with excitement. This is the only thing that will happen here in the body is take a deep breath. That's why you have that expression, breathless beauty. You know? And back, how great is the scenery. It's fantastic. It is wonderful. The hill is so near. I feel like staying here. Khan, please, Yuji, I will give this whole place to you. Please stay here and take. If you give it to me, this house, I will turn that into a brothel. Do it again. I'm not a nice guy. What do I do with that house and stay in Tiruvannamalai?
Chandrasekhar's explanation was, you would have made it, turned it into an ashram, which you call Gautam Chandra.
Because all the ashrams are brothel.
It seems it was
But
already
it is brothel. This is my line. If there is anybody who delivers the goods, it's a prostitute. Nobody else delivers the goods.
It seems it was already that, what you said. It seems it was already a brothel.
Who?
The place.
Which one?
Place
No, I am
that-
referring to her house.
Yes,
It is a brothel
it
now?
was that quarter I had.
Oh my God, I'm glad. Got it? So I don't have to bother about the mighty intellectuals around me. all the pontiffs in my house. So it made it easy for me. The environment. If we talk of the influence of environment, either for your good or for your misery, we always talk, it helped me to free myself from the false life of all the people. You know? All those who are supposed to be in the higher spiritual state. I'm not interested. That is one. You want me in? Sorry, I don't want.
How did you find
Watching them, liars. I knew because I am a selfish guy, and the demand to be a selfless man is the one that has turned me into a selfish. I didn't see anything selfish here. But I experienced the opposite of what they wanted me to want. I was not interested in all that shit. I want something other than what they wanted me to want. I don't want what they wanted me to want. And whatever I wanted, they didn't say. Encouraged me. Of course, my grandfather encouraged, but he was in two minds. He wanted me to become a lawyer and continue the tradition. I was the first man to work out. And then suddenly he said, we have not had any criminal lawyers in our family. One must be a criminal to be a successful criminal lawyer. I see a lot of criminal tendencies in you, he said. Yeah, Gaukular way. All right, I would rather, you see that in the last book, first quote of UG, I would rather be a con man than a god man. So I knew that, you see. And why they are circulating the books today saying that all these sex stories about Dekashamurti are true, right? You must have read that book. Ask them to get that book. And how he dragged all those people to the fourth Dekashamurti. They are circulating. Their assertion is when the teacher is not important, the teaching is important. Because the teaching is the one that has provided a living for all these people. I'm not against it. They all must be thankful to Jesus. Huh? Because he's helping how many people today? You know? So all the religious teachers left behind only people to make a living. You know? I'm sorry. I don't need that. I don't need to fool people. I don't need even the top publishers to publish. How do you think I have? Big. Huh?
They have created an order of life.
What order of life? What is the order of life? Why would you be here at this moment? You will be part of that order of life. You won't be interested in changing anything. You will be interested in freedom.
But I don't know whether that order is necessary.
You are questioning that. Whether there is order in the universe or not. Chaos or not. What do I care? I don't see any order, I don't see. Even in those days, my lecturing career, I used those phrases. God geometrizes. What geometry? I'll pick it up from somebody. God mightily and sweetly ordered all things. All that shit I was told. And also saying, when I use the word God, I do not mean an anthropomorphic personage, but God is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. It is not for money. And I realized, I realized that I have reached the top.
Yes,
My name and fame is spreading everywhere.
yes.
So why should I bother? Why should I be on a piece of...
There have been 2.5 million hits to your
Huh?
website actually.
What?
2.5 million hits on your website.
What is that?
On your website, there was 2.5 million hits.
They're all damn fools. You also came here because of the website. Oh my God. No, more than that, sir. Everywhere. Why I am put mostly, of course, sometimes you find next to Sai Baba, next to all these people, religious things. Mostly,
No one has talked like you over the last 2000 years.
how do you know that? I may be a damn fool. I may be fooling you, a clever, crafty, cunning master like Jayakritamurti was a great wordsmith, I call him, the wordsmith. Like goldsmith, coppersmith, silversmith, they produce different kind of jewels, selling their own jewels as the best. You walk through all those stores there. The Herald, only men's wear in my time. First time when I was there last time, I saw only the women's wear. They are telling you how you should dress yourself, how much part of your breast should be shown, how much should be covered. Only women's wear. They are telling you how to dress yourself. When I was in America, in 50s, 2-button jacket, 3-button, double-breasted coat. Every 6 months the color of the shirt must change. Yellow, green, white, blue. If you don't wear that, you are not the in thing there. To be in, first you have to wear whatever. I told you this story. I bought a very expensive coat before I went to America, double-breasted coat in London. I was wearing all the time that coat. The policeman who was standing outside of my house, every time I went in the morning, I had to go and wait for the bus so that I can go. So cold, I couldn't even stand like this. Hi, Grandpa, we always called him. What? Why you are still wearing this? Huh? Why? They always call me Grandpa. Grandfathers wear that kind of a thing or something. And out of sheer disgust and to please that guy, I went to a tailor and asked him whether he can make the necessary alteration. He was the most intelligent guy. He told me, you put this in your cupboard. Go there to CS. Buy a 2-button jacket, it's only $12. You have to pay more. So after a year or two, this will be the in thing. Why you want to waste money? He advised me. And then I was wearing the same kind of shoes, walking on snow, feeling cold. I went to the shoemaker. And then asked him, can you put something here? He make it easy for me to walk on snow. Sir, we spend 1/3 of our lives in the shoes. It never occurred to me. 1/3 of our lives in the shoes. And he explained it to this idiot. Because 8 hours every day we wear the shoes. So he calculated and said, better buy most expensive and 2 kinds, one for winter. I got the advice from people like that. You know? I never touched coffee because it was not allowed in our house, although we had guests. I once took coffee to Hannibal. We wanted them to be separate, sugar, milk and coffee together. I was wondering why she wanted separately. That was her way. And we do it here like this in the church in South India.
Every day.
Oh my God.
Are you going to visit him?
Huh?
Are you going to visit him?
I don't know. Should I?
Yeah, yeah.
No, it's going to be an expensive trip to Australia.
How is the Amsa Dasa there? He has become the phone of
No, he wanted my help. When I use that word, somebody heard that and he said, Porno avatar. So immediately I to my head, suggested him, and he repeated, if there is such a man who is courageous enough, I am going to say. He was still there. Otherwise he would have come to me. There were so many people working. Even the police did not know that it was planned. Huh? I don't want. What do I want? I don't want to promote myself. Now why the Prime Minister visited? Because he wants to vote for the people. He's a religious man. He has visited Sai Baba. So in America the same thing. Why they go to the church every Sunday? I give you an example. In New York there are 40,000 Catholics, 40,000 Sikhs, 20,000 the other because they want to go. Because they are interested. Because it is the election time.
You don't have any backing to promote yourself, but still
No, I'm not
people are interested in it.
Huh?
But still people are interested in it.
That's their misery. Why they have so many links? I never asked them. I don't even know. Go to my left side. I don't care. It's their problem. I talk like this, somebody is recording, somebody transcribes, somebody publishes it. I'm not interested. No. Why do you allow them to publish?
You must be a special person, otherwise such a thing will not happen.
Why should I publish my books, promote myself? Name and fame. I don't want that. Money. Why would I ask to sell the books and make money? I have friends like that. Huh? Sleeping in
Yeah,
our
Mr. Mario Fuji
Bye,
is here.
Or my boss, he said. Now you remember. All right, on that note. Good morning, how are you? Have you made plans to throw that bastard out? And have you found another guy? Not yet.
It must be
Not.
he is nice to her, telling her to find.
No, let me first finalize my plans and I will let you know. All right. Bye-bye.